Secretarul general al organizației europene EUCOBAT, European Compliance Organization for Batteries, Peter Bineman, s-a aflat recent într-o scurtă vizită în România, la București, și a avut o întâlnire cu reprezentanții Asociației Sistemului Național de Reciclare a Bateriilor, SNRB, membru fondator al organizației europene. Peter Bineman a fost încântat să descopere că, într-un stat codaș la capitolul managementul deșeurilor cum este România, SNRB a reușit, cu ajutorul unei echipe de specialiști competenți și profitând de accesul pe care îl are în calitate de membru EUCOBAT la expertiza internațională acumulată în țările cu tradiție în domeniul reciclării, să realizeze colectarea și reciclarea a peste 60.000 de tone de deșeuri de baterii și acumulatori în 2012. Secretarul general al EUCOBAT a apreciat rezultatele campaniei naționale de conștientizare, responsabilitate socială și colectare selectivă Baterel și Lumea Non-E, pe care SNRB o derulează în parteneriat cu asociația Environ și care a ajuns anul acesta la finalul celei de-a doua ediții. Peter Bineman a propus extinderea campaniei folosind conținutul altor programe similare care se derulează în prezent în Belgia și Germania, astfel EUCOBAT reafirmându-și importanța la nivel european în transferul de inovație, know-how și bune practici în materie de colectare selectivă și reciclare a deșeurilor de baterii și acumulatori. Cu prilejul vizitei sale în România, secretarul general al EUCOBAT, Peter Bineman, a acordat un interviu în exclusivitate pentru emisiunea Ecologica.
First of all, which was the main reason for establishing EUCOBAT?
EUCOBAT has been created 2 years ago because in several European countries there were organizations collecting and recycling batteries. And they felt the need, first of all, to collaborate, and secondly, to be heard at European level, because the European legislation was mainly written by politicians, and that were not really aware of the difficulties or the complexities of collecting and recycling batteries, and also the battery industry that was very good in producing batteries but not experienced in collecting and recycling batteries. So the organizations in Europe that were occupied with the collection and recycling of batteries decided that they needed to be heard at European level, and that's why they created EUCOBAT 2 years ago.
Who are the founding members?
Well, there are the founding members were 10 European compliance organizations. SNRB is one of the founding organizations, together with, for example, the similar organizations in Germany, in Holland, in Belgium, in France, in Spain, Portugal, Denmark. I'm thinking that I don't forget Finland, and I think I've got 10 of them there right now. So that's in the meantime we have expanded, and now we have 14 members. For example, Italy also joined the compliance organization. The organization.
What are the objectives of EUCOBAT?
Well, as I said, one of the main objectives is to be heard at European level as experts in the collection and recycling of batteries. And the second important point is that these compliance organizations, they also do the same jobs in the different European countries, and they can learn from each other. And that's why we have a lot of technical working group. We have a lot of statistical working groups so all these organizations, as active at national level, can learn from each other and exchange best practices concerning collection and recycling batteries.
SNRB, which means National System of Battery Recycling, is one of the founding members of EUCOBAT, you told me.
Yes.
And so please tell me, how do you collaborate with the Romanian partners?
Well, we collaborate a lot with the Romanian partners. Mrs. Elena Gaspar is a very active member of EUCOBAT. He's represented in most of the working group, the technical working groups, statistical working groups. And she's always there to exchange the best practices in Romania with the practices in the other countries, so to improve the systems all over Europe.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much.